Are you ready for your last breakfast?
Yeah. Kind of sad. But we have eggs. Leftover from yesterday. Fish. Fried chicken. Well, I'm not sure what this is, but it looks good. Vegetables. Leftover lengua. Leftover
Chicken
Adidas.
It's big.
It's a big toad. Sa unang, gusto pa nga, hindi ko dahil yun. Hindi sa unang, ano naman, kandun naman. Gusto bangon ko dahil nung pinuputi. Hasta dito sa wall na yung buwan na nila.
Ito na sa babaw na doon mo nila pa.
Oo, mga kwarto. Hindi naman siguro. Kaya napapatan ako gano'n sa ano, sa kitchen. Oo. Hello!
It's the vlog.
We're walking around SM again for our last day here. We just had our Starbucks.
So much food.
Lunchtime. Rise and shine.
See that? There's chocolate in there. So usually inside there's red bean. And I was joking like, oh, there's chocolate in there. And then she's like, no, it's actually chocolate. It's always red bean.
Yep.
But it had to cater to the Philippine,
Palette.
yeah, the Filipino palate.
It's good. Really good.
Now we're talking.
Yeah.
Describe where we are.
We're in Kalea. It's a really good dessert place.
Menu is bountiful. Cake on cake. Cake on cake. Coffee.
Massage, but we're just gonna visit and see the facility because from what I heard it looks really good. Let's see if we can tour you inside it. Hopefully we can. And then after that we are going to go to the beach because Zoe has been wanting to swim there, and then we'll have breakfast. We're gonna do a late breakfast because Kathy and I have been trying to do fasting.
Hello, we are doing our last dinner vlog here. Let's see what we got.
Good. This is sinigang. I don't know what that is. It looks like beef, fish, more fish, dinuguan. Oh yeah. And then this looks like mixed vegetables with some seaweed. This looks like seaweed. Wow. More sinigang.
I've never seen that.
I haven't either. It looks like chop suey with seaweed. And then this is puto.
Looks like, uy, mochi.
They're like rice cakes, and usually you eat it with the dinuguan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
With my hands?
Yeah. Oh, and then our calamansi
Oh,
and chili.
that's the most important part for my plane ride.
Last dinner.
Yep.
In Bacolod, in Talisay.
Wow.
Hello. We're gonna miss you. Oop, ay.
Wow. So cute. So tiny. You will have a lot of them.
Need to snow.
Two.
That's the mother.
Sana may puti galit noy.
Huh?
Oh. Wow.
Ano ka? May jealous siya. Hala.
Oh, the mom's coming.
Oh, snow off. Oh, hindi ko na pagkuha. Bata mo ah. Hello.
tayo lang tayo.
Bloody Mary. Sino ko? Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Thank you, sir.
Bloody Mary.
I said I wasn't gonna eat a lot for my last day, but look at all the good food.
Mura na kong quarter. Habol na lang ko. Ay, sushi ka.
Amo na siya. Ano pa ka na sa ano na diba?
I see that.
This? Fish? Oh, kulay. Meron pa din ah.
Ang gano'n mo rin siya ano sa ano to?
Ay, ginsan ko kami bread pantinila.
Look at this. Sushi.
Gusto ko tinawa.
Sushi. Ang ano?
Sushi.
Sushi. Sushi. Sushi.
Ano mo bilang eh? Oo. Hindi nga, tingnan mo.
I can split my rice too. One for dinuguan, one
There's
for
one for my
sinigang.
sinigang.
I like this.
This is very good.
I like this.
What do you like?
I like this.
We have sushi.
I think she likes the sushi.
We're pre-gaming for Japan.
Ano?
Yeah.
I think I want my first meal in Japan to be ramen.
Oh yes.
Yeah, ramen.
It's a good idea. Miss the how we actually talked dito sa amon.
About that?
Basi hindi ka mukhang hindi.
Hindi ko like intindi eh. Mo.
Ay, ayaw lang din. Ay, ito.
Sunod ko
Gusto
din
ka ayaw.
Ha?
Sunod ko din na. Kaya pa magtutupa tayo sa sundaan. Kaya ka naman. Wala ko sa sundaan. Ano ko ito.
That's
Hindi, pagwa ko.
Kaya hindi pilan ko na.
Pagwa ko lang ka. Gusto ayaw. Nag-hype ako kayo siya. Hype over.
Everyone's so cold. Look.
Ray, kayo mag-baka sa YouTube, Ray. Ray, artista ka na lang.
you feel cold. Even I feel cold now.
22 Celsius.
It's about 73 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah.
Balo ka na, nakibili siya, ijaday mo.
Sa Africa.
Tuon pa? Oo, lutuon pa.
Nagluto ko. Nagluto ko. Nagluto ko.
Sabi ko ano, nagturo-turo.
Ano? Fish. Ano ganda? Fresh kinain.
Fresh na mga fish. And then sa 21, warrior sa Kaluoy. Huh?
That's a lot.
Lot of seeds.
Yeah, I ate a lot of watermelon. I eat them in order of my
Taste.
my preference.
You're gonna kill that whole plate of mangoes.
So this one is because it's my least favorite out of the three. The next one will be this one,
Papaya.
and I saved the best for last.
Will you have enough space?
Of course, there's always space for mangoes.
You should squeeze the
The what?
Favorite?
The calamansi?
onto your watermelon.
Why? It's sour. They're not even cut open.
Nako.
Sipa-sipa! Alam ko, no? She's not just kicking a little. Sipa-sipa, alam. Sipa-sipa, hinaya man. Ay,
Why na ito, ilang session na rin?
nag-charge na na siya.
It's stuck.
Wala na na na-charge. Buba? Ano difference? Ano? Girls, yan na magkalapit na.
Ano na lang, ako baga.
Kaya na mangkot ka lang yung harap ko nagdalaman ko.
Okay, ano ba? Wala lang ka.
Wala lang siya yung ginagamit niya.
Ano, ako ay nagbili ng padaliner ko.
Kinuha niya.
Kinuha, gali. Pawala.
Kumbaga lang kaka.